Are you also the one who admires Bollywood divas' glowing skin and wonders how they look flawless every time despite constant exposure to makeup and harsh lights? So let's dig into the beauty secrets of some of the top 5 actresses and know what their skincare routine is for that radiant glow. Alia Bhatt. Gangu, aka Alia, who keeps on sharing makeup tutorials on social media, reveals her skincare routine, which is ice therapy, and the effectiveness of placing her face in an ice bowl to alleviate puffiness. This simple technique leaves the skin revitalized. Priyanka Chopra. I am sure everyone loves the Desi girl's radiant skin. So Priyanka indulges herself in homemade remedies to get that natural glow. She says that her lips are the most prominent feature on her face, so she loves to take care of them even more. She uses sea salt, vegetable glycerine and rose water scrub to exfoliate and moisturize her lips. Kiara Advani. The Shersha actress swears by the CTM, cleansing, toning and moisturizing routine at least twice a day. Apart from this regimen, Kiara has a DIY remedy. She loves to apply raw tomatoes to her face, and this skincare tip is something she highly recommends. Malaika Arora. Malaika is also not the one who goes through long hours of spas and beauty sessions but prefers homemade DIY treatments. Her remedy includes organic honey, cinnamon powder, lime juice and some other ingredients. She thinks that these natural mixtures maintain the natural glow and promote healthy skin. Ananya Pandey. Ananya's clear skin secret is simplicity itself. She goes by her mom's recommendation for a natural glow and flawless skin. A DIY treatment that is made of turmeric, honey and yogurt. This mixture is applied to clean skin at least 3 times a week.